Even there is a rainbow there. This water comes from the river Nile. This is the Murhison Falls. The water goes away up to that side. This is the Budongo forest. I had this one from the school. Budongo. Morning. So I have a motorbike. Am I allowed to pass through here? Because I'm going to the falls. Hello. Morning, officer. Good. The falls. Good morning from this beautiful lodge. Fortune. It's called Fortune. This beautiful lodge called Fortune. MASINDI. Yes, it's in MASINDI town. Very nice lodge and affordable. $10 sleep well. So everything is nice now. Let's go to the town now. To the MASINDI town. If I have time, maybe I will take some breakfast there. We continue today's plan. We have to visit the Murhison Falls. Very nice falls. The most powerful falls in the whole world. The powerful. top up from here. Full. Yeah, full. Yes. Like 20, huh? Yeah. Okay. Those are 3.88 liters. Just only top up because I don't want to carry extra fuel. What I do is only top up and guys, let's go to action falls. Now this region, this is the Bunyoro region. The language they speak is very, very different from my language. Weather, but my shoes are very wet. This is Balamu's hotel. For those who don't know, Balam is now the minister for youth. Yeah, I think he's a state minister, I don't know, but he's the minister for youth. This is his project. If you don't know, that is Baram Garukahare, the one. This is President Museveni. Boss, how are you? Good. This is the Baramu's project, MASINDI, YK7 Conference Center. Here, the police station. Yeah, good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to Murhison.
Yes.
Yeah, which road?
We have like 2 kilometers.
To the Murhison
Branch of
this side,
this
yeah?
side there.
Ah,
You will see where have you seen the other lights?
yeah.
There is a junction.
On the left.
Yeah. Follow that one up. The gate there.
Ah, okay, thank you. Let me see if I can get breakfast here. But I need food. This is the chapati and nono. Oh. These are chapati. I will not eat chapati in the morning. Let me ask here. Boss,
Yes, ma'am. Morning, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alexander Trakat.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Yeah, I'm going to Murhison.
Huh?
Murhison Fall.
Yeah, this is the road.
This is the road, eh?
From here to get, the first gate is 15 kilometers.
Eh,
Then Zambia Jackson 55, 53.
eh,
Then Park Jackson 70. Para, that is 78.
okay. But
last
I'm
thing-
going to the falls, the Rio Falls.
Yes, you will get instruction for that gate of
Eh,
Para. That one Para. When you reach 78, that's the Para.
eh,
Bridge here.
eh.
Then there's a reception where you can get where to go.
Eh.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Aya, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Aya, see you, eh?
Okay, sir.
There's any function was here, no?
No, this one is our stage. Though we were going to West Nile, Gulu, Arua,
Eh.
as they block that way,
Eh.
now buses are passing
Yeah. The
via
bus,
here.
because of the bridge, Karuma.
So they close there.
Mm.
Buses of West Nile and the northern.
All they are passing here
so
now.
this is our stage.
Okay. Okay, let me go.
Okay, sir.
I will see you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Ah. This is the gate, 78 kilometers. That is Para Junction. Is the one he was telling me. the Budongo forest. I had this one from the school. Budongo Central Forest Reserve. Just here. Morning, officer. Morning.
How come?
So, I have a motorbike. Am I allowed to pass through here? Because I'm going to the falls.
We're going to the falls.
Yeah.
First go and talk to those people.
And the
Those
gate,
who
yeah?
work at the gate.
Okay. Hello. Morning, officer.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Where to?
The falls.
The fall you pay here.
They told me to come and talk to you here in the gate.
No.
Top of the fall.
Yeah.
You're going to visit.
Yeah, I'm going to visit. I'm a tourist. Yeah.
Ya wapi? Si ndio nyinyi ni mko nalo? Your neighbor is there. Kirokiri, ekisubuzo kabakiri kima ino yakirire.
Okay. So guys, now let me explain to you. Now, if you want to visit, if you the entrance from the entrance, if you want to go if you are transiting through this park, it's free. But if you want to visit, you have to pay. The motorbike I paid 30,000, less than $10, like $10, no, $8. If you are transiting, because the Karuma bridge is now under maintenance. So now people Guru to northern Uganda, all people they have to pass through here. They don't pay. So if you want to visit the falls, you have to pay. I paid 30. Fall visiting, that is 25, and 10,000 is for, I think it's for motorbike. You can imagine this motorbike. I paid 10,000. The total is 65,000. 65 is like less than $20. Yeah, less than $20. Like $15, $18. So the maximum speed here, 40. don't go beyond 40 kilometers per hour. So let's go and visit the forest. Money, if they catch you branching off anywhere, you will pay more than you think. So it's very tricky. Even they don't take cash, only they pay. You pay via, you have to use either card or mobile money, MTN or Airtel, but they don't take cash money. You see now they marked that. You see on that tree, they marked red yellow. Don't go beyond there. You will end up become a meal for the wild animals. Another thing, here there is some baboons there. There is no network, you see? There is no network. These are very funny animals, you know. These are baboons. The Pearl of Africa, Uganda, East Africa. There is some monkeys with the white tails and what? You see, let me show you the monkeys, the type of the monkey. I have never seen them. I don't know whether I can see it. You can't see it on this camera. Those are transit buses. All the passengers from northern Uganda. Now me, I have to stop everywhere. Wherever I want to take picture, I will stop because I paid money to park through this park. Yes, I paid money to park through this park. Whenever I want to stop, I will stop. Because they told me if you don't pay, don't stop anywhere, just move, you transit and you go. So now I decided to pay and enjoy the nature of Mama Africa. Speed limit camera, this one. It's a speed limit camera. Boss, how are you? Yeah, I'm going to the falls. Yeah. I've paid, I've cleared everything from the gate. But I don't know where to go.
Okay.
Mm.
Ride 50 kilometers.
From here.
From 45 to 50.
Mm.
You'll find a junction showing top of the falls. What?
Mm. There is a signpost there.
You'll branch. For example, when you pass another lodge like this,
Yeah.
Zambia.
Yeah. So, hey, this is the accommodation.
Yeah,
This
no accommodation is there for us. We have only cafe.
yeah, Budongo.
Yeah.
This is the Budongo forest.
Yes.
We ran from the school.
Yes. We are seeing Budongo.
Okay.
So, top of the fall is on when you are sloping like this. Is on what? You are right.
Okay.
You just ride. I've told you 45 kilometers
from here.
So you don't say that I have passed.
Yeah.
So you just continue riding. But when you pass the first lodge on the same right,
Yeah.
you know that just 1 kilometer. The junction.
Okay. Thank you.
Safe journey.
Yeah. We had that 45 kilometers. They are working here, slashing the roadside. Boss,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Are you not scared of any wild animal?
No.
No?
Yeah.
No lion here?
No lion in here.
Which
Lion
animals are
there,
here?
near there.
Which animals are here?
Here.
Only monkey.
Only is baboon, monkey.
Baboons and monkeys. As I've seen them there. Yeah, the white monkeys. White and black. Yeah.
Here there are many, but in front there you find the elephant, lion.
Here you slashing the roadside.
Yeah, we are slashing
the roadside.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. See you. This is the Budongo forest. another family of baboon with a baby. I think they have a baby. When they have baby, they are very protective. You have to be careful. I see this one is very old. Even the way he walks. They are going beyond 40k speed, because now my bike is 43, but this guy overtakes me. Huh? He's already overtook me now. Budongo forest. You can see the view of the forest. Very happy man. You can see the view of the forest. a look at this view of the forest. No one is there, only the nature. When you're traveling on a motorbike, you get the most view, the best view. You have to travel on the motorbike. That's why people see us like crazy. What this guy is using motorbike? It's very risky. What? They don't know the secret. We enjoy the nature. Murhison Falls, this side. Ayo safari road here, Tara. Murhison Falls. Top. Afande, good morning. Good, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, I'm going to the falls.
Okay,
Yes.
that's fine.
Uh-huh.
But I have to look at your ticket.
Yes. It's here.
Okay, you can book. You have paid.
Yeah. Straight, yeah? Okay. Asante sana. That is the first stop. You don't say you cannot go beyond that point. They are very funny. I don't know why they come to poo on the tarmac. See how it is in the middle of the road. That is elephant dung. It has so many thrones. already here. Ha, look at this.